Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortewada. In this video, we will learn about the roadmap and the introduction of my JavaScript project. As per our subscribers' interest, I am doing this series on JavaScript project end to end. So it includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Bootstrap. So for time being, what I did is I have focused only on the JavaScript logics, which I will showcase in this series. But about HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap, already I have designed a few set of screens by my own, and I will showcase that UI and UX designs in this video. And we'll write all our JavaScript logics in the upcoming videos of this series. So let me quickly jump into the UI screens. So here, these are my different types of UI screens. This comes under the registration page, and we will try to validate all of this fields and we'll store this data in our local storage. So we are not using any API related stuff. Instead, we'll try to store this registration in our local storage. And when the user clicks on the login page, so this is the login page which we have, and for this login page, whoever the person registered, that person email address and password, if the user gives properly, then he will be able to logging in. Otherwise, he cannot log in. This is the login page functionality which we will be focusing in this series. And also coming to dashboard. So here these are the dashboard. Just it is having some set of carousel. The carousel came from Bootstrap and I'm using a default carousel here. And also I'm using some set of cards. When the user clicks on a particular card, it navigates to that particular page and we will be writing each and every functionality of that page. This is something like user dashboard. And now when the user clicks on the user list on the nav bar or user list card, he will be navigating to the user list where we'll be showcasing all the user related content here who are registered in our local storage in this particular desktop, because local storage is restricted to our desktop content. And when the user clicks on the reset password, then this reset password will be invoked, and this reset password will have some set of functionality where he need to enter his old password and new password and confirm password. Old password should be the password which he logged in, and new password is the password which he want to enter. Confirm password should always be equal to your new password. When the user clicks on the update password, the particular user whoever logged in, that user details will be stored in our local storage. And when the user clicks on the profile, so we'll be navigating to the profile page. What we'll do is we'll try to showcase the email address whoever logged in, and here we'll consider this email address as unique, so he cannot change further whenever he is updating the profile. He can only change the first name, last name, phone number with this email address and the person whoever logged in. And this is something like just a checkbox whether he want to receive the emails or not, just a random checkbox, so it will not have any big functionality for us. This is how all the different pages has been designed. So as of now, we don't have any navigation, any local storage value setup, and also any API things. We don't have anything in our JavaScript logics. We have only designed the pages which are restricted for your HTML content. So when the user clicks on the logout, then we'll be showing a pop-up. On the clicking of pop-up, we'll navigate that guy to your login page and we'll clear all the logged in user details from this local storage. So this is how we will try to write our JavaScript in the upcoming incremental videos in this series. So let me show you the folder structure of this design. So let me go here to the Visual Studio, and inside the Visual Studio I have created a dashboard which consists of CSS and HTML as of now, and we are using a bootstrap by using the CDN of that bootstrap. And now let me go to the login. So you have login.css, login.html, profile, register and reset password, and also users. And also I want to mention one thing. I'll maintain all this inside a project inside our GitHub, and for this tutorial I'm posting all my code inside the introduction part 1. So just you can go and navigate to a particular URL from the file and you can see that particular file which will showcase the UX of a particular page. And also there is a folder called as image. All the images I am trying to maintain here, and from here trying to display on the browser. So to make it clear, as we are using CDNs, please make sure you should be connecting to your internet connectivity. If you are not connected to the internet, the UI may be distorted, and that may give lot of problems in your UX design. So please make sure you are connected to the internet. And also, if you see any of these HTML, we are using a bootstrap of 5.0.2, which is the latest bootstrap version, and I'm using the latest one. So in the upcoming videos, we'll create the JavaScript files and we'll try to write all our logics here inside each and every folder. So always maintain different folders for each and every page so that the look and feel will be very good. Don't create the files in one particular folder itself. If you see, this is complete modular. So this dashboard contains CSS and also HTML. This login contains CSS and HTML, and profile contains CSS and HTML. And also we'll do one round of manual testing from end to end once the application is done in our series last video. And also please follow entire series and you'll be getting all the understanding about the flow. And after this, you may be having some question like, what can I achieve? So the thing is, we will cover most and all the important concepts of JavaScript so that the people can easily develop their skills over JavaScript for a mini project. And even if you want to develop a advanced project, you can go ahead and use all these concepts to create your own advanced mini projects or even advanced projects. Hope this series will help you a lot, and mainly for the persons who are just starting their career on the front end using JavaScript. This series will give you a more exposure and helps you a lot. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you. And also, I want to let you know about Techzette. Techzette is a platform on Medium where you can learn all the backend stuff. Mainly, it is focused on the Adobe Experience Management, Magento, as well as OSGI, along with the basics of Java. And you can see this link framework completely. So just have a click on the link below in the description and have a look on this Medium blog. If you like, please like, share, follow Medium blog.